Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a solar panel from a regular DVD and 3 zener diodes. First of all, you need to make several turns on this disc from such a wire. Then this wire needs to be fixed with hot glue. One winding is ready and it remains to make 2 more. In total, there will be 3 windings on the disc. Now between these windings you need to solder zener diodes. In this case, I use zener diodes KS168. The solar panel is almost ready. It remains only to cut one of the windings in the middle. For example, here, there will be outputs to relieve tension. Now I will protect these pins and solder a wire to them. After that, you can start the experiment. And what do we see? About 2.5 millivolts. The voltage jumps a little, but the average is 2.5 millivolts. If you turn this solar panel a little closer to the searchlights, you get 3.5 millivolts. You can find the position where you get 4 millivolts. In residential conditions, the results, of course, are not very impressive, but now we will see what this solar battery will show on the street. The day is very sunny, clear weather, so we will continue the Let's see what the solar panel shows in direct sunlight. For some reason, nothing works at all. Does she not work on this? And the voltage shows about 1.3 volts. Excellent result. Now I will try to turn this solar panel in the direction of the sun, and the tension immediately jumps almost to 1.44 volts, 1.45. On the street, this solar panel shows significantly better results than in the room. As experiments have shown, such a homemade solar battery under direct sunlight produces approximately 1.5 volts. For her, this is very, very good. It is also worth noting that instead of these zener diodes KSS168, I tested other zener diodes. as well as diodes, starting from KD522 and ending with the Soviet rarity D2, but the highest voltage was obtained using these zener diodes, KS168. In my next videos, I will make a few more such solar panels and try to use them to power some low voltage equipment. For example, I will try to charge my mobile phone. What will come out of this, you can see in the following videos. In order not to miss them, subscribe to the Invexlab channel. If you liked this video, then do not forget to put a like.